Today going to do a simple abstract using the Kuretake Granulating Colours again. I'm just going to add some water to the page and then I'm just going to drop some colour in and just to see how it reacts. So I've just got a flat brush and I'm just going to randomly add water to the page. Leaving some gaps. Making sure I've got plenty of water on. Whether you can see that. Okay, so I'm going to get my round brush, get some of this Aurora red, drop it on. I'm going to get plenty onto my brush just to see how it reacts to the water. You can see it granulating here. It's moving quite nicely. Just going to add another colour. So that was the Aurora red. I'm going to add the Aurora blue. Not much of a contrast there. Now adding the Aurora orange. So I know that's a little bit more, even though it says it's orange, it's got more of a greeny kind of hue. Just adding that to my page. Okay, so I'm just going to let that dry. Back in a minute. So the painting's dried now and you can see it's left some lovely granulation on the page. So what I'm going to do now is use a 0.8 fine liner pen and just do some doodles over the top. Tape with the same black pen just to give your picture a nice clean border. When you peel away the tape, it's always nice to have that border, and if you don't line it you can't really see the border as clearly, so it just makes it all nice and neat, tidies it up. Peeling away the tape to reveal your lovely picture. You can see here how the black pen has made that lovely border for you. Makes it look as though it's in some kind of frame. And there you have it. Beautiful, simple watercolour abstract overlaid with a bit of black pen. Looks fantastic. If you like these granulating watercolours by Kuretake, the next video is an unboxing of these. So keep watching and see you soon. Bye.